Sonic, Sonic. What is it? Me and Bert to let's. So that's all I want to tell you. Okay. I'm going to work so you playing with Odie. Playing with Odie, sir. Odie, come here, boy. Tell me to take off. Odie, are you thirsty or hungry? Are you thirsty? Okay. Bert. What is it? Odie is thirsty. Okay. Come here, boy. Bert, not time. Never. Don't know. Oh, you want to take a walk? Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Bert. What is it? Odie could take a walk. So, call Bell. What is it? Sonic. We could go on a walk. Oh, it's digital there. So, we could go walk. So, yeah. Sonic. Odie. Whoa. Yeah, what is it? But I need you to be the best. If you did anything wrong, stop or help, you'll be both grounded. Got it. Woof. Alright. We will be home by 6:30 p.m. Okay. Let's go. Bye, Sonic. Bye. I'm glad we all know. Yeah. Oh, maybe I could call Sonic. No. Oh, come on. Sonic will be lonely. I hope he'd be fun. So, hope it no bother you. Six 30 a.m. later. Ding. Oh, I got call for John. Hello. You have to come quick. One. We didn't trouble. Fun. We didn't cause any now long ground, but what about unlocked in the bathroom. Why? Because it goes. No, the mop stuck in the door. And I can't get out in the bathroom. I'm feeling like panic. Calm down, Sonic. We'll be on our way. I hope you'll come quick before I be panic and embarrassing and freak out. Don't worry, me and Bill will be on our way. I hope so. Please come quick. But I like you too. Bill, Sonic in trouble. Whoa. Are you there, boy? Whoa. Sonic stuck in the back. Sonic, you go. So, how you do? I'm good. Yeah, good. So now you're on ground. Anything you want? Yes, gotta go fast. Ow. Go to the fmm1.com and go and buy Junior, Cody, Joseph, all three puppet as a human. Yeah, and see you in the next time. You wanna have fun? Sure. Okay, let's go. I'm talking about that guy like the last video, because on my last video, so anyway, it's like Bert got a new little puppy dog. If you like that video, let me know. Oh yeah, by the way, on Bert and Turtle Boy will be back soon. The last time I was trying to make Turtle Boy escape from the prison district because the camera not working because full memory. Yeah. And also, on July 7th, we will do that again. I hope so. Yep. And see you in the next time. Wow.